Seniors, discover how apple cider vinegar and baking soda can solve 12 health issues fast. Have you ever stopped to think that something as simple as a kitchen ingredient could completely transform the way you feel every day? What if I told you that by combining two everyday household items, apple cider vinegar and baking soda, you could potentially treat multiple health problems that often affect seniors? All at once? Today, I'm going to show you how this powerful duo might just be the answer to several common health issues, like heartburn relief, improved digestion, better skin health, and even detoxification. Sounds incredible, right? But it's not just hype. There's real science behind how apple cider vinegar and baking soda can work together to help your body function at its best. Let me tell you about my patient, Ruth. Ruth is 68 years old, and for years, she struggled with chronic heartburn. She tried everything, antacids, prescription meds, but nothing seemed to provide lasting relief. Then, she came to me with an open mind, asking if there were natural alternatives she could try. I recommended a mixture of apple cider vinegar and baking soda. And to her surprise, not only did it provide her with immediate relief from the discomfort, but her digestion also improved over time. Ruth's experience isn't unique. Over the years, I've seen how this simple kitchen remedy can support overall health in a way that many people don't even realize. Now, you might be thinking, is this really that simple? And in a world full of complicated solutions, sometimes the best answers are the most basic ones. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to properly use this powerful combination to start feeling better right away. But first, let's dive into why this simple mixture works so effectively. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar, often referred to as ACV, is more than just a tangy ingredient for salads or marinades. It's a powerful liquid made through the fermentation of crushed apples. During this process, beneficial bacteria and yeast convert sugars into alcohol, which is then further fermented into acetic acid, the key component that gives vinegar its acidic properties. But what makes ACV even more special is that it contains a wide range of beneficial compounds, including enzymes and probiotics that are naturally formed during fermentation. These probiotics are great for your gut, while the acetic acid is known to have antibacterial properties, making ACV a natural ally for your health. ACV has long been recognized for its ability to support digestion. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps increase the acidity of your stomach, which can aid in breaking down food more effectively and reduce bloating. Many people, especially seniors, find that taking a small amount of ACV before meals can help jumpstart their digestive system, making meals easier to digest. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This can be incredibly beneficial for seniors dealing with insulin resistance or early signs of type 2 diabetes. It's also been linked to weight management, as it may help curb appetite and support healthy metabolism. Beyond its digestive and metabolic benefits, ACV has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for a variety of skin conditions, from acne to fungal infections. And because it contains healthy bacteria, it can promote gut health, which is crucial for overall well-being, especially as we age. Many seniors I've worked with have told me how they use ACV in the mornings to support their digestion. One patient, Martha, who's in her 70s, started taking a teaspoon of diluted apple cider vinegar with warm water each morning. And she noticed that her digestion improved significantly. She felt lighter, less bloated, and more energized throughout the day. It's become part of her daily routine, and she swears by it as a natural way to start her day off right. I've heard similar stories from many others who've experienced the same benefits. And it's a simple, affordable way to help your body feel better from the inside out. What is baking soda? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring alkaline compound that plays a significant role in balancing acidity in the body. When dissolved in water, baking soda forms an alkaline solution, which makes it effective at neutralizing excess acid. This is where its magic comes in, especially for issues like heartburn or acid reflux. But beyond its use as a kitchen staple or a simple home remedy, baking soda has a long history of being used for medicinal purposes. When applied topically, it works as a gentle exfoliant and has antifungal and antibacterial properties. which can be incredibly beneficial for treating a variety of skin issues. It's a versatile and affordable solution that many people overlook. Health benefits. One of the most well-known uses of baking soda is for neutralizing stomach acid, which is why it's so effective in treating heartburn and acid reflux. When you take baking soda mixed with water, it temporarily raises the pH of the stomach, reducing the burning sensation that many people experience after eating. It's a fast-acting, natural alternative to over-the-counter antacids, which can sometimes come with unwanted side effects. Baking soda also has amazing antibacterial and antifungal properties, which make it useful for treating various skin conditions like acne, eczema, and even fungal infections. Its mild abrasiveness also makes it a popular ingredient in homemade scrubs, as it gently exfoliates the skin without causing irritation. Additionally, its alkaline nature can help maintain proper pH balance in the body, which is critical for overall health. Too much acidity can cause a range of issues, from digestive problems to inflammation, so keeping your body's pH in check is essential for longevity and vitality. I've had many patients over the years who struggled with chronic heartburn, and baking soda has been a quick and effective solution for many of them. One gentleman, James, in his 60s, came to me complaining about heartburn that was affecting his quality of life. He had tried prescription medications with little relief. After suggesting he try a small amount of baking soda mixed with water after meals, James found that the discomfort started to fade almost immediately. In fact, he told me that it worked faster than any antacid he'd ever used before, and without the long-term dependency or side effects. It's a simple remedy, but it's one that has proven to be highly effective for many people, especially for seniors who might want to avoid more pharmaceutical options. 4. Why combine ACV and baking soda? The chemical reaction. When you combine apple cider vinegar, ACV, with baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, you're witnessing a fascinating chemical reaction. ACV is an acidic solution due to its high content of acetic acid, while baking soda is an alkaline compound. When these two substances meet, they react to neutralize each other. The result is the creation of carbon dioxide, CO2, the fizzing bubbles you see when the two are mixed. But beyond the bubbles, this reaction creates a balanced pH environment in your body, helping to neutralize excess acid while boosting your body's ability to handle acidic foods and toxins. In your digestive system, this is particularly beneficial. The acidity of ACV helps stimulate gastric juices, aiding in digestion and breaking down food more efficiently. On the other hand, baking soda neutralizes any excess acid in the stomach, preventing the discomfort caused by heartburn or acid reflux. It's a delicate balance between acidity and alkalinity that keeps your body functioning optimally. When used together, ACV and baking soda support your body's natural processes, from digestion to detoxification. The result is a holistic, natural remedy that helps cleanse your system, promote healthy gut flora, and restore balance to your body's pH levels. This combination acts in harmony with your body's natural processes, enhancing their efficiency and overall effectiveness. Scientific backing. Research has started to highlight the benefits of both apple cider vinegar and baking soda, particularly when used together. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology in 2015 found that mild acid supplements, like the acetic acid in ACV, could improve digestion and reduce symptoms in people suffering from low stomach acid and indigestion. The study also noted that using natural acid remedies led to significant improvements without the side effects commonly associated with pharmaceutical antacids. Additionally, a 2016 study in Scientific Reports highlighted the importance of maintaining an optimal pH balance in the stomach and intestines. It found that using alkalizing agents like baking soda helped regulate stomach acidity, reducing discomfort from indigestion and bloating. This, combined with the digestive aid provided by ACV, makes this duo a scientifically backed solution for a range of digestive issues. The combination also shows promise for detoxification. ACV is known to support liver function by promoting bile production, which aids in fat digestion and toxin removal. Baking soda, with its ability to buffer acidity, supports the kidney's function in eliminating waste and maintaining the body's overall balance. This mixture has been part of natural health practices for centuries, In my practice, I've consistently recommended ACV and baking soda to help support digestive health, especially for seniors who often experience slow digestion, bloating, or heartburn. In many cases, they've seen positive results within days. I recall one patient, Greg, a 72-year-old man who had been struggling with indigestion and acid reflux for years. After just a few days of incorporating this mixture into his routine, he found that his symptoms had dramatically improved. He wasn't waking up with that painful acid reflux sensation anymore, and his digestion seemed much smoother overall. I've also used this combination to help patients with detoxing. One woman, Janet, in her late 60s, had noticed that she felt sluggish and had trouble keeping up with her grandchildren. After a week of using this mixture, she reported feeling more energetic and less weighed down. It's a simple, affordable way to help your body rid itself of toxins without the need for extreme detox diets or costly supplements. What I love about this combination is that it works with your body, not against it. Unlike some harsher chemical solutions that can have unwanted side effects, this natural blend supports your body's innate processes, allowing you to feel healthier and more balanced from the inside out. 5. Health benefits of ACV and baking soda mixture. Heartburn and indigestion. Let's start with one of the most common complaints I hear from my senior patients: heartburn and indigestion. These discomforts often arise when there's an imbalance in the stomach's acidity, either from producing too much or too little stomach acid. While it may seem counterintuitive, apple cider vinegar, ACV, which is acidic, can actually help with heartburn. Here's how. When stomach acid is low, food doesn't get digested properly and stays in the stomach longer, which causes pressure and that burning sensation. ACV helps by introducing just the right amount of acidity to kickstart the digestive process. On the flip side, baking soda, with its alkaline properties, helps neutralize excess acid, offering relief from that uncomfortable burning sensation. When used together, the two substances balance each other out, allowing your body to naturally regulate its stomach acidity. ACV stimulates acid production, and baking soda neutralizes excess, a perfect match. One of my patients, Linda, in her 70s, had been struggling with severe acid reflux for years. After adding this mixture into her daily routine, she reported significant relief, especially after meals. The burning sensation was much less frequent, and she was finally able to enjoy meals without fear of that uncomfortable reflux. Digestive health. A healthy digestive system is the foundation for overall well-being. ACV aids digestion by increasing stomach acidity, which helps break down food and activate digestive enzymes. This means that your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently and avoid issues like bloating and indigestion. But the benefits don't stop there. Baking soda, when mixed with ACV, can help balance your stomach's pH, creating an environment where your digestive enzymes can thrive. When you maintain the right balance of acidity and alkalinity in your stomach, food is digested more smoothly, and your body can avoid the discomforts of sluggish digestion. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 65-year-old woman who had been dealing with chronic bloating and discomfort after meals for years. After she started incorporating this ACV and baking soda mixture into her routine, she experienced a dramatic improvement. Not only did she feel significantly less bloated after eating, but she also felt more energized and lighter throughout the day. Her digestion became smoother, and the discomfort that used to follow meals became a thing of the past. Detoxification. Another powerful benefit of this mixture is its ability to support detoxification. ACV is known for stimulating bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and filtering out waste in your digestive system. By improving bile flow, your body becomes better equipped to remove toxins through the liver and digestive tract. But that's not all. Baking soda also plays a crucial role in detoxification by helping to alkalize the body. This is important because when the body is too acidic, it struggles to detoxify properly. By neutralizing acidity, baking soda supports your body's natural detox processes, especially in the kidneys, which work to filter waste and toxins from your blood. Take Tom, a 70-year-old retiree who was often fatigued and sluggish. After incorporating this combination into his routine as part of a detox regimen, he began to notice a remarkable improvement in his energy levels. His fatigue lessened, and he felt more vibrant overall. Along with better hydration, the detoxification benefits from ACV and baking soda helped him feel like he had gained back some of his youthful energy. Skin health. ACV isn't just beneficial for your internal health, it also works wonders for your skin. Its natural acetic acid has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great ally against acne, irritation, and other common skin issues. ACV helps to balance the skin's pH, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Baking soda, on the other hand, works as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. It's particularly useful for fighting acne, blackheads, and dull skin by promoting a smoother, more radiant complexion. Its mild abrasiveness is gentle enough to avoid irritation, making it a perfect choice for sensitive skin. I remember Margot, a patient in her 60s, who had struggled with dry, irritated skin for years. She'd tried countless creams and treatments with no success. After using a diluted mixture of ACV and baking soda on her skin for just a few weeks, she came back to my office amazed at the improvement. Her complexion had cleared up, her skin felt smoother, and most importantly, it was no longer irritated. She was thrilled with the results. And so was I. Oral health. Oral hygiene is often overlooked, but it's crucial for overall health, especially as we age. ACV has natural antibacterial properties, which help to reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth. It can combat bad breath and prevent plaque buildup. The acidity in ACV also helps in neutralizing mouth odors. Meanwhile, baking soda works as a mild abrasive that gently removes plaque and surface stains from your teeth, promoting a cleaner, brighter smile. The alkalinity of baking soda also helps neutralize any harmful acids that can lead to tooth decay and gum irritation. Many of my patients, especially seniors, have reported feeling a fresh breath and healthier gums after using this mixture as part of their oral hygiene routine. It's a simple, natural way to support long-term oral health. Alleviating acid reflux. Acid reflux can be one of the most uncomfortable conditions, often leading to burning sensations in the chest and a sour taste in the mouth. The typical cause of acid reflux is a malfunctioning lower esophageal sphincter, LES, the valve that controls the flow of stomach acid. When this valve fails to close properly, stomach acid can leak into the esophagus, causing that burning sensation. The combination of ACV and baking soda works on multiple fronts to ease this condition. ACV helps increase stomach acidity, encouraging proper digestion and signaling the LES to stay closed. Meanwhile, baking soda neutralizes excess acid, reducing the discomfort caused by acid reflux. Together, they help restore balance to your digestive system, which can lead to fewer and less intense episodes of acid reflux. Reducing uric acid levels. Uric acid is a waste product that forms when your body breaks down purines, compounds found in certain foods. High levels of uric acid in the blood can lead to conditions like gout, where uric acid crystals accumulate in the joints, causing pain and inflammation. The combination of ACV and baking soda helps to regulate uric acid levels by supporting the kidney's ability to excrete excess acid and improving the body's alkalinity, which can help prevent the formation of uric acid crystals. This natural remedy can be a gentle, non-invasive way to support joint health and reduce the risk of gout flare-ups. Fungal infections. Fungal infections, like athlete's foot, ringworm, and yeast infections, are common and can be quite uncomfortable. The good news is that ACV and baking soda can offer a natural way to treat these infections. ACV's antifungal properties make it effective in killing the fungus and restoring the natural pH of the affected area. It disrupts the growth of the fungi, making it harder for them to survive. Baking soda adds another layer of defense by helping to dry out the infected area, soothe irritation, and relieve itching. The combination of these two ingredients, when applied topically, creates an environment that's unfavorable for fungal growth while also providing relief from the uncomfortable symptoms. 6. How to prepare and use the mixture. Internal use. If you're looking to support your digestive health and boost your metabolism, this simple mixture of apple cider vinegar, ACV, and baking soda can be an excellent addition to your daily routine. Here's how to prepare it. Recipe. Start with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, preferably raw, unfiltered, with the mother for maximum benefits, and mix it with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 cup of warm water to the mix. Stir well until the baking soda has dissolved completely. You'll notice a slight fizz as the acidity of the ACV reacts with the alkalinity of the baking soda. Usage tip: if the taste of the ACV is too strong or unpleasant for you, feel free to add a bit of honey or stevia to sweeten the drink. This can help balance the strong tangy flavor of the vinegar and make it more enjoyable. Frequency: I recommend using this mixture once a day, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach. This will help to kickstart your digestion and support your body throughout the day. If you're dealing with specific digestive issues, such as bloating or indigestion, you can take it before meals to ease discomfort. However, be mindful not to exceed 2 servings per day. Moderation is key. I've seen patients experience real improvements in their digestion by incorporating this into their morning routine. One of my patients, Richard, 68, had persistent bloating and sluggish digestion for years. After just a few days of using this mixture, he reported feeling lighter and more energized. His digestion improved, and he wasn't experiencing that post-meal discomfort anymore. External use: this mixture can also be used externally for various skin concerns or fungal infections. Whether you're dealing with acne, irritated skin, or fungal issues, this natural remedy can help. Recipe: to create the paste, simply mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Stir the mixture until you form a smooth paste. If needed, you can add a few drops of water to adjust the consistency. Application: gently apply the paste to the affected areas, such as acne-prone skin, fungal infections, or areas with irritation. Let the paste sit for 10 to 20 minutes, allowing the mixture to work its magic. Once the time is up, rinse with lukewarm water. Precaution: before applying the mixture to a larger area, always test it on a small patch of skin first, especially if you have sensitive skin. This will help ensure that you don't have an adverse reaction. If you notice any irritation, immediately wash it off and discontinue use. I've had many patients find relief from skin irritation using this paste. Janet, a 72-year-old woman, had persistent dry patches on her skin that didn't respond to lotions. After applying this mixture twice a week, she saw a remarkable improvement in her skin's texture. The dryness reduced significantly, and the irritation cleared up. 7. Precautions and safety tips. Dilution. It's important to remember that while both ACV and baking soda are natural remedies, they can still cause discomfort or irritation if not used properly. Apple cider vinegar is very acidic, and it should never be used undiluted directly on your skin or consumed in large amounts without dilution. Undiluted ACV can cause skin burns or irritation, and drinking too much without proper dilution can upset your stomach or lead to other health issues. I always recommend diluting the ACV with water, especially when you're ingesting it, to ensure that your stomach can handle it without causing any harm. If you plan to use it externally on your skin, be sure to mix it with baking soda and water to create a balanced paste. Moderation. As with anything, moderation is key. Baking soda is a powerful substance that can neutralize acid, but excessive use may lead to stomach discomfort, bloating, or disrupt your body's sodium balance. Using too much baking soda can also lead to increased blood pressure due to the sodium content, which is something to be mindful of, especially if you have a history of high blood pressure or heart issues. I advise starting with small amounts of baking soda and gradually increasing if needed. It's better to begin with the lower dosage and monitor your body's response. Medical advice. Before adding any new remedy to your routine, especially if you are on medication for chronic conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or heart disease, always consult your healthcare provider. ACV and baking soda are generally safe for most people. But if you're taking medications such as diuretics, insulin, or blood pressure medications, it's important to speak with your doctor first to avoid any potential interactions. In my own practice, I've found that many seniors are on multiple medications, and it's crucial to check that these natural remedies won't interfere with any existing treatments. Always prioritize your health. And if you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare professional. I always advise my patients to start small with any new remedy, whether it's apple cider vinegar or baking soda. Begin with a small dose, and listen to your body's response. It's about tuning in to how your body feels and adjusting accordingly. Some people may feel the benefits almost immediately, while others may take longer. The key is consistency and being mindful of any changes you notice. As we get older, our bodies often require a little extra attention, and gentle, natural remedies like this can be a wonderful addition to your health routine. But remember, it's about balance and paying attention to your body's needs. Blank. By following these simple preparation methods and safety precautions, you can incorporate ACV and baking soda into your daily routine safely and effectively. This natural remedy can help improve digestion, skin health, detoxification, and much more, without relying on harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Always start with small amounts, and gradually adjust as needed, while keeping a close eye on your body's response. Remember, it's all about listening to your body and making adjustments along the way. As a healthcare professional who has worked with seniors for many years, I've seen firsthand how the right natural remedies can truly make a difference in people's lives. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda are simple, yet incredibly powerful tools that can help improve digestion, promote detoxification, balance pH levels, and support overall well-being. What I find so remarkable about these two ingredients is their ability to work in harmony with the body's natural processes. Unlike many pharmaceutical treatments that come with side effects, these remedies work gently and effectively, helping the body restore balance without the need for harsh chemicals. They're affordable, easy to use, and can be incorporated into your daily routine without any complex steps or specialized equipment. For seniors, integrating simple, affordable health practices into their daily lives can be a game changer. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your health in a natural way. These small changes can lead to big improvements in energy, digestion, and overall vitality. It's not about drastic measures or expensive treatments. It's about using the natural tools that are right in front of us. When you take the time to care for your body in a way that aligns with nature, you begin to notice the positive shifts in how you feel. I've had so many patients who feel like they've turned back the clock just by incorporating simple remedies like ACV and baking soda into their daily routines. It's an incredibly rewarding feeling to see someone not just managing their health, but thriving because of small, intentional choices. If you're ready to try this simple remedy and start feeling the benefits for yourself, drop a comment below and share your thoughts or experiences. I'd love to hear how ACV and baking soda have worked for you. Or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more health tips that can help you live your healthiest, happiest life. Let's improve our health together, one step at a time. To quickly recap, this incredible combination of apple cider vinegar and baking soda offers a wide array of benefits. Heartburn relief. Balances stomach acidity and neutralizes excess acid. Improved digestion. Supports the digestive process. Reduces bloating and enhances enzyme production. Detoxification. Stimulates bile production and helps your kidneys eliminate waste. Skin health. Fights acne and irritation while restoring pH balance. Oral hygiene. Reduces plaque, freshens breath, and promotes healthier gums. Alleviates acid reflux. Helps balance stomach acid levels for fewer reflux episodes. Reduces uric acid. Supports joint health and helps with gout management. Fungal infections. Treats fungal issues by balancing skin pH and preventing growth. Have you ever tried using ACV and baking soda in your routine? If so, let me know your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you and how you've incorporated it into your health routine. Remember to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. We all know someone who could benefit from a little extra health boost. And together, we can create a community of support and natural wellness. Let's continue to learn, grow, and thrive together. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.